feeling puzzled, confused, or unsure with your home decor, wanting something more. Need a fresh eye, a brand new design. Come along with Emma, let our styles align. It's design with Emma, let's make a change. Out of box decorator, just call on me. From apartment to house, we'll make it truly yours.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today's video is on my spring reset. Now, I've only made a few changes, and I want to take you in and show you what a few little changes can make in your home. I've only spent a total of $14 on these changes, but you will be surprised at what you can do with $14. Come on in and let me take a look at my changes. I'll let you take a look, and then what I'll do, I'll come back and tell you a little bit about what I've done here. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about the budget-friendly changes I have made, and also using what I already have, okay? First of all, I'm going to show you this beautiful, beautiful new picture I have here on the wall. As you can see, it is beautiful. It is black, brown, and white. So what I've done, I've went in and added the little tan brown pillows that I already had to my couch, okay, to pick up the color here in this print. The beautiful print you see here, I purchased at a furniture store that was going out of business. It was first, they had it for $2.99. They had marked it down to $1.99. It was a 90% or more off sale, and I purchased 2 of these beautiful pictures for $14 each. Again, an outstanding bargain. If they were the regular price, I definitely would not have purchased them. There's no doubt about that. Even if they were $1.99, I would not have purchased. But for $14, yeah, I probably would have purchased 10 of them if I could have got them, okay? So I always say, watch out for those bargains. They are out there, and you might, just as I did, walk up on them without actually going looking for them. So that is the change that I feel like has made a big difference, adding that beautiful new print and bringing in my brown little pillows. Over here on the love seat, I've actually added that same pillow. And the pillow covers were from Amazon. Here on my table, I've really kept it the same. We have my little Easter bunny. I did put the clear beads around him. We also have that beautiful round candlelight with all of the beautiful pearls on it. Over here on my bar cabinet, I've really kept it the same. I did add the budget-friendly mixer pitcher here from Goodwill. I think I paid $3 or $4 for it. We have the beautiful floral arrangement that matches the one here on the coffee table. I have a mixer set, and inside my beautiful cabinet, I've added lights, my wines, and my glasses. So this is my spring reset, and I hope I've given you all some ideas. As I said, just the smallest little changes will make the biggest difference. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this spring reset. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you go ahead, hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Again, if you would, leave me a comment and let me know what you think of the small, simple little changes I've made without actually spending a whole lot, going back in my pillow covers that I already have, picked me out a couple, and I added this beautiful print for $14. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.